If you are an estate planning or elder law attorney, I've got great news for you. These are two of the fastest growing fields of law. Demand for your services is booming because of the pandemic, the subsequent recession, and our aging population. The sad thing is, only a handful of truly savvy lawyers will turn that booming demand into a 6 or 7-figure law firm that works at scale. And by at scale, I mean it gives you the income that you deserve and the lifestyle that you want. That you work with great clients, you're well paid, and you love your life. You're building personal wealth and even generational wealth for your family without sacrificing time to spend with them. I'm Jennifer Goddard, and I coach lawyers in these practice areas every day. Watch my masterclass to see how my clients are scaling to 6 and 7 figures, building the law firm of their dreams and a life that they love.